Green Chef Review. Is this meal kit service worth the price? In this video, I'll be giving you my Green Chef review. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. Green Chef is a popular meal kit delivery service that focuses on organic ingredients, clean eating, and specialized diets. But with higher pricing compared to many competitors, the big question is whether Green Chef is actually worth the money. Let's break it down. Green Chef positions itself as a premium meal kit service. It offers meal plans designed around specific dietary lifestyles, such as keto, paleo, vegan, vegetarian, gluten-free, and balanced living. This makes it especially appealing to people who follow strict dietary preferences and want meals that align with their health goals without spending hours meal planning. One of Green Chef's biggest selling points is its USDA certified organic ingredients. Most of the produce is organic, and proteins are responsibly sourced. The ingredients arrive pre-measured, labeled, and packaged neatly, which reduces food waste and makes cooking more efficient. For people who value ingredient quality, this is a major advantage. The cooking process is straightforward. Each recipe comes with step-by-step instructions, clear photos, and estimated cooking times, usually around 30 minutes. The meals are designed to be approachable even for beginners, while still offering complex flavors. Green Chef also pre-chops certain ingredients and provides pre-made sauces, which helps speed things up. In terms of taste and variety, Green Chef performs well. The menu rotates weekly and includes a solid mix of proteins, vegetables, and global flavors. Portions are generally filling, and many users appreciate that the meals feel restaurant quality while still being healthy. Now let's talk about pricing. Green Chef is more expensive than most meal kit services, which can be a deal breaker for some. While the quality is high, it may not be the best option for families on a tight budget or people who don't prioritize organic ingredients. Shipping fees can also add to the overall cost. Pros include high-quality organic ingredients, diet-specific plans, excellent flavor, and easy-to-follow recipes. The cons include higher pricing, extra packaging, and limited flexibility compared to grocery shopping. So, is Green Chef worth the price? Overall, Green Chef is a legitimate and high-quality meal kit service that delivers on convenience and nutrition. If you value organic food, follow a specific diet, and want healthy meals without the hassle of planning and shopping, Green Chef can be well worth the investment.